In today's episode, I will show you what I bring carry-on luggage on the plane. So, let's go. When I'm traveling, I try to travel as light as possible, so I often don't have any carry-on luggage at all, except what I have on me. So, I always have this sweatshirt with a pocket on the stomach, so I can have all my stuff in the pocket. I think that's enough when I'm traveling. The rest I want to check in. And I always have my headphones on my head to listen to music, and of course some shades. You always need shades because above the clouds there's always sunny. So let's see what I have in the pocket. A little bag, perfect size for me. I have everything I need in this one. So open up and see what it is. Old camera to simulate the GoPro I always have with me in my bag. Earplugs. You never know when there are kids on the plane and you want to sleep. And of course passport and boarding cards. And then we have a blindfold if the sunglasses is not enough. And then we have all the cables. One USB-C, one audio cable for the headphones if the battery dies, and one old USB mini charging cable. And of course, this one, so you can use it in the wall. And of course, a pen. How many times have you been on the plane to fill in your visa and you don't have a pen? Very important. And the old audio converter. Some planes still has this one. It's to hear the sound in the entertainment system. And when you get this, you can bring your own headphones to listen to the entertainment system and watch the movies with your own headphones, because the ones you get on the planes are not that good. So this is basically what I want on the plane. I don't want to carry anymore, but of course there's are some buts. If I need my beach bag, I bring it as carry-on. If it doesn't fit in my checked-in bag, of course. But it's almost always empty. But if I need it on the destination, of course I bring that one as well. And very, very often I also have a computer bag. And here you can fit a lot of small stuff, of course. But I don't always have this with me either. So depends on where I'm going and what I'm gonna do there. Maybe I don't need a beach bag. And if I travel with only carry-on luggage, I try to only use this one, but this is pretty small. It's like, let me see, 15 liters, so it's not that big, but I try. Some tips. I prefer not to have any bag with me on board on the plane because I just think it's in the way. Thank you for watching, and if you want more tips and tricks, subscribe, hit the like button, and I will bring you more tips and tricks from my travels around the world. Have a nice evening. Bye!